Hello, welcome back. In this video, let's see what if you want to make any changes in the table. You want to alter the table, you want to change the column name or the column type. What can be done in this scenario? Let's look into this. Unfortunately, in Google BigQuery, we can't delete the column or we can't edit the column type. If you want to make any changes, in case you have to go to the table you want to modify, click on edit schema. See here, as I told you earlier, we can't delete this, we don't have delete option here, and we can't edit the type also. The best thing is you can add a new field if you want to add a new column. Okay, if in case you don't want to add a new field but if you want to make alterations here, better thing is you have to go ahead and create a new table. Thank you. We'll see you in next video.